Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting credentials and verifying access. Generate an API key, save it securely, and set it as an environment variable so tools can read it. Once done, install the official SDK or use curl. That gives you an immediate request path. Make a minimal test prompt, one sentence, and call the endpoint to confirm authentication and response format. This early check prevents wasted time later and shows you the raw request and raw response to iterate from. You now craft the real request. Set model, prompt, and parameters like max tokens and temperature to control output. Choose streaming if you need low latency. Make sure headers include authorization and content type, and chunk or paginate large inputs to avoid timeouts. Once you receive data, parse the JSON for text and metadata, and map it into your app's data models. If you expect many calls, add retries with exponential backoff and rate limit handling to stay reliable. You finish by integrating outputs into your UI or backend worker and validating results before showing users. Secure the deployment, rotate API keys regularly, restrict scopes, and store secrets in a vault. Once deployed, monitor usage and costs, set quotas, and implement logging for unexpected responses. If something goes wrong, check error codes and request /response logs first. A common fix is resending with adjusted payload or reduced size. That single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.